In this video, we'll show you how to unblock a nozzle. Before commencing the procedure, be sure to follow all health and safety protocols. The use of personal protective equipment, PPE, is mandatory during these operations. Once the nozzle cleaning wizard has finished, check that the nozzles are correctly aligned in the channel. To do this, remove the print head cover. Using a Torx T6 screwdriver, remove the charge electrode. Once the operation is complete, access the printer screen. Select settings at the bottom of the screen, then wizards, and finally, unclogging nozzles. Once the unclogging process has started, the printer performs 3 cycles of attempts to unclog the nozzle. If the nozzle is clogged, a second assistant may be needed to unclog it and perform a backwash with a cleaning solution, as shown in the following sequence. During the second unclogging cycle, spray the cleaning solution onto the nozzle plate for all 3 cycles. This should clear any blockages inside the plate.